Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how to use a wand to curl your hair. This was one of my most requested videos. So this is my favorite wand to curl my hair. This is the Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium. This is the 1.5 inch wand, and I love that for big bouncier curls. If you want smaller, tighter curls, then definitely go for the 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch wand, but this is my favorite. First things first, just gonna brush my hair. Did you actually know that curling your hair works better on day 2? So you wash it day 1, blow dry it, and then curl your hair on the second day. There's just more oils and everything. It just makes the curls so much more sharper. I'm gonna put my glove on because I tend to burn myself a lot. Now I'm just gonna section off my hair. So just right above my ears. I'm gonna take a good old clampy clamp like so, part it in 2. I like to hold mine upside down. You don't have to, but it's just a trick that I have. And I'm just gonna hold that for about 20 seconds. And I'm just gonna let go. And you guys, look how beautiful and bouncy and big this curl is. Like, that's what I love so much about using this wand. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna do all of my curls on this side of my head the same way. And release. How beautiful is that? I really hate curling irons with a clamp. They're just so annoying. They're just in the way. So I much prefer a wand any day. You can leave the ends out a little bit longer than what I'm doing if you want more of that beach wave look. So pretty. Just taking small sections like this. Not too big. Now I'm gonna go that way. The bigger the wand, the faster you get your hair done. That's what I love about it. Okay, now I'm going to take down that top section here, split it into 2. So then I just have this big chunk of hair left. Now I'm just going to go ahead with my favorite hairspray. This is from Moroconnoil Luminous Hairspray. It smells so good. This is in the strong finish. This is actually a hairspray that I can stand. There's some that are like so strong, like the L Net. So freaking strong. But this one is like, incredible. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how to curl your hair with a wand. Stay tuned for more videos just like this one, more how-to tutorials. Hit that bell notification to stay up to date on my latest releases. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for watching once again. Bye guys!